Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about 3 stocks from the personal portfolio of Hemendra Kothari. Now, for those of you who do not know Hemendra Kothari, he is the chairperson of DSP BlackRock and is a revered figure in the Indian stock markets. He is a billionaire and his investment acumen is well known. Also friends, if you are benefited by the content on this channel, please don't forget to share these videos. Your sharing these videos motivates us to keep preparing these videos which would be beneficial for your net worth. Please watch this video to know more.
Now the first stock on the list is Eicher Associated Hotels Limited, which is available at Rs 509.95 and the face value for this stock is 10. The symbol for it is EIHAHOTELS. Now this company is engaged in the hotels business and is involved in the ownership, management and operation of various 5-star hotels in tourist destinations across India. Now the company's hotels includes the Oberoi Cecil, which is located in Shimla, and the Oberoi Rajvilas, which is located in Jaipur. The company also operates the Trident hotels in Agra, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Cochin, Jaipur and Udaipur. Now the first few months of the year lent itself to a consolidation for this particular stock, but since then it has been on an uptrend. The market cap of the company is 1553.72 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS is 13.31, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 38.31, which is much below the industry PE of 71.88. The book value is 92.24, which translates into a price to book ratio of 5.53. The company has a dividend yield of 0.88, whereas the promoter holding for this stock is a very good number at 75%. The 52-week high for the company stands at 691.70, whereas the 52-week low is 310.50. Now friends, there is a projection that hotel occupancy rates are going to go drastically up, and this would make this stock a huge beneficiary of the sector's growth going forward. Now the second stock on the list is Merck Limited, which is available at 1987.55 and the face value for this stock also is 10. Now Merck Limited is engaged in manufacturing and marketing of pharmaceuticals, bulk drugs, fine chemicals and pigments. The company operates through 2 segments, which are primarily pharmaceuticals and also chemicals. Its geographical segments include domestic and exports. Now, if you were to look at the 1-year chart, you would see the company was consolidating for the first few months of the year, but since then has been on an uptrend. The market cap of the company is 3,299.21 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 61.33 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 32.41, which is slightly more expensive compared to the industry PE of 29.26. The book value is 441.74, translating into a price to book ratio of 4.50. The company has a dividend yield of 0.75, whereas the promoter holding is just about average at 51.80. Now friends, the 52-week high for the company stands at 2264, whereas the 52-week low is 995. Now friends, there is some concern regarding the pharma sector getting commoditized, and if that happens, the sentiment around this sector could deteriorate. Now the final stock on the list is Sarada Software Limited, which is available at 348.95 and the face value for this stock is 1. Now Sarada Software Limited is an IT company, and if you were to look at the 1-year chart, you would see that the company had been consolidating for the first few months of the year, but since then has been on a beautiful uptrend. The market cap of the company is 3,669.53 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 14.39, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 24.25, which is a bit more expensive compared to the industry PE of 22.11. The book value here is 57.76, which is at an expensive price to book multiple of 6.04. The debt to equity for this company is 0.0597, whereas the return on equity is a very strong figure for this stock at 0.3099. The company has a dividend yield of 2.58, which is decent, whereas the promoter holding is a bit on the lower side at 30.95. Now friends, this company may be the beneficiary of a declining rupee, and we need to keep a watch on this sector going forward. Now friends, please don't treat these as stock recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research and consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information that you ever see on this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.